Are you stretching your gambling budget and wondering where it lasts longer, at the slot machines or the table games? Today we're breaking down which one gives you the best bang for your buck. And the answer might surprise you. Stick around because by the end you'll know exactly how to play smarter and enjoy your time at the casino without draining your wallet. Welcome back to the channel, where we uncover real strategies to help you play smarter, have more fun, and keep your budget intact. If you find value in today's video, hit that like button, subscribe, and join our growing family of smart players. Let's start with slot machines. They're flashy, colorful, and easy to play. Just push a button and you're in the game. But here's the reality. The house edge on most slot machines ranges anywhere from 6% to 15%. That means for every $100 you put in, the machine is statistically designed to keep more than other games on the floor. What makes slots appealing is the low minimum bet. Many machines let you spin for just a few cents. This makes it easy to stretch small amounts of money, but the fast pace can add up quickly. A few hundred spins per hour, even at low stakes, can quietly drain a budget faster than expected. Now let's look at table games. Games like blackjack, craps, and baccarat tend to offer much lower house edges, sometimes as low as 1% or less if you use basic strategy. That means your money has a statistically better chance of lasting longer at the tables. For example, blackjack played with smart decisions can almost match even odds against the house. Baccarat's banker bet offers one of the lowest house edges in the entire casino. Craps, with its pass line bet, is another budget-friendly choice. The catch? Minimum bets at table games are often higher. A $10 or $15 minimum is common, so each hand or roll costs more upfront compared to a slot spin. Another major difference is the pace of play. Slots are fast. You can get hundreds of spins in an hour. Table games move slower. You're waiting for the dealer, for other players, and for the dice or cards to play out. That slower pace means your budget stretches further, even if the minimum bets are higher. So while slots feel cheaper at first glance, table games often give you more entertainment per dollar spent. From personal experience, I've noticed that a small buy-in at a table game can last me an entire evening, especially if I stick to lower-risk bets and play conservatively. On slots, I've seen the same amount disappear in less than an hour, even on penny machines. The difference isn't just numbers, it's also about the experience. At a table, you're part of the action, interacting with players, cheering wins together. On slots, it's you against the machine. Both have their place, but the vibe is completely different. If your budget is tight, here are 3 strategies. Choose table games with low house edges. Pace yourself. Don't rush hands or spins. Set a budget before you play, and stick to it. So, what's the verdict? Slots are fun and easy, but table games give you better odds, more interaction, and often more playtime for your money. The best bet for budget-minded players is to lean toward table games while keeping slots for light entertainment. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and join the family. Share your own casino strategies in the comments. We'd love to hear your take. Until next time, play smart and enjoy the game.